Hello, welcome back to the vlog. So today we're going to install the Lian Li 2 vertical GPU kit. So because I'm having issues with my temps on my PC, so we're going to try if the vertical GPU mounting will fix some issue on that one. So, and again, this video is sponsored by the subscribe button and that like button. So please hit the subscribe button. Appreciate it a lot. So let's get into it. Okay, so it includes with this blocking plate, which you can attach on the top or in the bottom. It depends where you position the actual vertical kit. Alright, and of course it comes with the actual riser cable with the vertical mounting bracket on it. So come on, let's install this one out. Okay, so first thing, we're going to install the graphics card on the riser cable. And we're just lining it up, just putting same way as you put the other graphics card on the PCI of your computer. If I can put it properly. There you go. Well, you will hear a click. It means it's in there. Okay. So there you have it, it's installed. So let's move into the PC side. Okay, so there you have it. So I removed all of the slot covers first in there. So if you can see, I still have my Elgato capture card in there. I removed the graphics card first on the bracket, because I have to put some of these thumb screws at the bottom to act like a stand on it, because I don't want it to sag also while it's in here. So I'm still able to use the capture card in that position. So let's work into this one. Okay, so moment of truth. If it will actually fit or not. So we have to put the cable first in here. Oops. Didn't hear it. Wait, I'm having issues. There. I did not hear it click yet. There you go. Okay, so it's properly seated. Now, our power cables out of the way. Okay, so this will be placed like this. And then what I'm going to do is I will use some longer thumb screws and a spacer. This is a AMD CPU spacer that I'll be using on this. So because I'm not gonna able to push it all the way, because it will touch the back plate, will touch the back of the call this the back of the back plate will touch the capture card. So that's why I'm using this longer thumb screws. If they will work or not, we'll find out. I guess they won't. Too long. So we'll be using this support. These are for SSDs. So we're just gonna use those rubber. And we're gonna put it in place. There you go. And we're gonna use our iFixit driver in here. I hope I got the hole. So it's enough clearance. I guess so. Okay, so now we just have to put the cables back in and we're gonna test it. So the 8-pin, and then we got the 6-pin. Nice. Okay. So now we will try to plug our cables, display port in, okay, let's power it on. And we got power, guys. There you go. All right, it looks nice. So usually getting an idle temperature on my CPU, like it's hovering around 40 on idle, and then on the on the GPU I'm getting like 37 on it on idle. So hopefully by putting it on this position, I'm gonna get some improvement on my temperatures, overall temperatures. So if you can hear my fan, they're like loud. So let me see. That's weird. Alright, so let's check the temperature right now. Be right back. Okay, so with my idle temperatures, so right now CPU is 31, max is 35. It just spiked when I open HW monitor. So that's my CPU. Temp, my GPU is hovering 34, 35. So package is 33. So yep. So I think I'm good. So there's an improvement on both CPU and GPU. So yep, I'm happy on it. So I guess vertical works for me. So I'm all air cooled on my PC setup here. So okay, so we're just gonna run a Cinebench on it. So instead of Heaven, so we're just gonna do Cinebench for now. So multi-core. Let's check the temperature on this. I actually have HW monitor on the other screen. So let me check if I can get it on the other screen here. Alright, now we're on 65. I usually get like 70 something on this. So there. So we have CPU now 66 running on our Cinebench R23. So I usually just do one run on this for the benchmarking it. Again, I usually get like 72, 73 on this particular one. So now with the mounting of the GPU vertically, on the bat, I already saw some significant temperature drop on idle. So, but now on load, we have to check on that. So, yep. So we're having that 72. Our score is 72.10. So highest we've got is 67 on CPU. All right. So now we're gonna test. We're going to test Heaven on this one. So let me set that one up. Okay, so now we're gonna run Heaven to test the temperature on our graphics card. Let's start it now. So usually I'm getting like 72, 73 on my temps on this. So now we're at 48 right now. It's so weird that on my CPU temperatures that I got improvement on that, because usually it's gonna get heat soak by the GPU, but nope, not getting that. So let's check now that it's ramping up. So let's test check our CPU. So it's in 45 right now. So again, that's okay. So we're still good on that. So right now GPU we're at 50. So we're at 52 right now. So this is looking good. Looking good. So highest is 52 right now on the GPU, and then CPU is 45, still 45, 44. So all of the heat that's coming from the GPU going up. So normally the CPU will get heat soak from the hot air from the GPU, but nope. I love my air cooler, my Noctua. I think this is the NHU 12S, the Chromax. So yep, so there you go. So that's what we have. So this is not overclock. My GPU is not overclock. This is on stock clock right now. But yep, usually it goes as high as what, 60, 70, 73 I guess on this one before. So yep, so I'm happy about that. All right. Okay, so there you have it. So I'm happy about the results on this. So I'll put the link on the description below where to get this vertical GPU kit. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you for watching.